Welcome back, guys. In this video, you are going to learn about sections and what they are used for. Sections are similar to div blocks and it is used to group different elements. But with one difference, sections are used to structure the website in different areas. For example, here we have a simple website design, and this design is divided into different sections like hero section, which is the first area that you see whenever you open any website, about section, project section, FAQ section, and more. The difference between the section and div block is that the content inside section should be logically connected. As in this project section you see on your screen, anything related to project area is in the project section. Same as with FAQ section. All of the content of FAQ section is in the same space. Now let's open our Webflow designer and learn to use a section. Now let's put a section on a canvas. Just click on this add button and here you will find a section. If I drag and drop this section to the website, it's automatically going to take a full width of a canvas or of a website. By default, it is set up to work like this. But the section height is dynamic. If we put any content inside the section, it's going to take up the space according to the content inside it. For example, if I put this div block, this entire section, and drag this inside this section area, is going to take up the whole space. Now, if I change a background color to show you clearly, for example, from here, I'll just change it to something red. So you will see the section area is according to the height of the div block. Now, don't mind this empty space. This is because of this area. I'll just remove this space and you will see here, there is a box here. I will also change the color of this box. For example, if I go down, I will change this color to black. Now you see this box color, heading, paragraph and button. The section is taking the only space it's need to fix and put this content inside its area. So section can also be customized. For example, the height, I can fix the height. Like if I want to take up the whole space or whatever we have, I can just say 100 view height and it's going to take up the whole space. And if I want to bring back the height, I just have to click Ctrl Z to undo whatever I have done and it's going to come back. We are going to use a lot of sections in our future videos, but this is for your basic understanding about sections. That's it for this video. See you in the next video.